In assessment 2, which is a 600-word short story, the two main things we ask you to do is to write the 600-word story and to provide evidence of your planning and development of the story. So just to confirm, when we talk about planning and development, those are your pre-thinking and pre-writing and use of idea development techniques like the 5 good men to develop information. And for a lot of us, we do that kind of thing by hand on a piece of paper. So I just want to say that I don't expect you to type up all those notes nice and tidy and make it look the same as the sample assessment. You can do that if you want to, but if you've got a whole heap of handwritten notes, you're welcome to just take a picture of it. Use your smartphone and go snap and just upload that image as evidence of idea development. I just want to emphasize it's really important to develop an idea, partly because if you get an idea off the top of your head, there's a very good chance it's already been written about. Any familiar scenarios can be written about again, it's not a problem, but it's all about developing it down to its deepest level and then expressing that story in your own voice to make it individual and unique rather than just rehashing something that's already been done. As an example of what I mean, most romantic comedies follow a similar formula, which is the boy meets girl, boy loses girl, boy finds girl kind of formula. And so I'm not talking about the use of formulas, but I'm just talking about taking that idea and giving it your own unique things. And 9 times out of 10, or even 99 times out of 100, that only happens when an idea is really thought about and really dug down to a deeper level. A story can be made unique by the use of language and a written style, or actually about plot devices and developments, or because a character is original and unique. So there are different ways and different directions that the story can be developed, and that's what I want to see in the evidence portion of your assessment. So don't get too hung up on it, but just remember that I want to see it not to make life difficult for you, but just to emphasize how important it is to develop an idea and not just go with that first idea that popped in your head. As a competition judge and as an editor of a literary magazine, I promise you that I see or have seen literally hundreds, possibly thousands of stories that all could have been developed further, but which actually all basically follow the same pattern. So it is an important point. Develop your story, show me evidence of that idea development from word to go.